We're diving into a full review of the amazfit Active, the sleek, affordable smartwatch that's turning heads with its impressive feature set and stylish design. Design and build. The amazfit Active features a lightweight, rectangular body with a 1.75-inch AMOLED display that's bright, colorful, and responsive. The resolution is crisp at 390 by 450 pixels, offering excellent clarity even in direct sunlight. You get a choice of stylish finishes, including lavender purple, midnight black, and petal pink, with aluminum or stainless steel bezels depending on the version. Display and interface. The display is a real highlight. It's vibrant, with deep blacks and smooth animations thanks to ZepOS 2.0, amazfit's own operating system. The UI is fluid, and navigating through tiles, apps, and settings is intuitive. Fitness and health tracking. The amazfit Active is packed with fitness features. You get over 120 sports modes, automatic workout detection for key activities, and a built-in heart rate and SPO2 sensor. Sleep tracking is detailed and accurate, including naps, sleep stages, and even sleep breathing quality. Battery life. Amazfit claims up to 14 days of battery life with typical use, and in our testing, it got very close. Even with regular GPS workouts, notifications, and the always-on display Active, you're looking at a solid 7 to 10 days easily. Overall, it combines great design, strong health tracking, reliable battery life, and smart features into one package. Thank you so